I'm Andrew at Fearlessly Prepared. And at Fearlessly Prepared, we equip modern day Josephs and Nehemiahs for the times ahead. And right now, with COVID-19, I would like to be socially distancing myself more than I could by just staying at home and so forth, like the rest of my family is. But I've got work that I've got to go out and do. And because of that, I'm able to see the community at large, and also I see things on news where a lot of people are wearing face masks, and some people aren't, some people are. But the people that are wearing face masks, you're obviously concerned about catching it, some for whatever reason, medically or whatever it may be. And but you're not wearing eye protection. Please, please put on some sort of eye protection, glasses, sunglasses, whatever you have. And I know there's not many face masks out, and right now because the medical professionals are getting them first, which I really am happy for. I want them to have it. But the CDC says that you need to have eye protection and the face masks. And because of that, there's a shortage for the average individual to have it. So I came up with a do-it-yourself hack for face mask. It is not pretty. I know. There's going to be comments that it is. All right. But here, this is it. It's really simple, straightforward, little face mask that you can do from things that you have in your house more than likely. All you're going to need to have is a sheet protector. You can grab here. There you go. Manila folder. Manila folder actually can help you in 2 sheet protectors. You're on the way to making a couple. And then you need to have tape, shoestring, washcloth, hole punch, scissors. That's all you need to have for it. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut the file folder so it will fit inside of, just barely fit inside the sheet protector. You're going to punch holes 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch on each corner, hole punch. And then you're going to cut on the diagonals, and then you'll trim it up from there, make it nice and neat. You slide it into the sheet protector. Now if you slide in the sheet protector, you are going to take your shoelace, find the middle part, 2 cut ends together, get your middle part. You line it up with the washcloth, and you're going to roll it up like it is a cinnamon roll, if you're making it from home. I bake with my kids, so hey, I enjoy it. It's fun, and I get something sweet after, and the kids love it too. So anyway, just rolling it up. The reason you roll it up like that is it's centered. You could use, if you wanted to, if you had something at home, you could use foam or something like a pool noodle or something or other. That could work too. You'd have to use a little more tape to attach it in, but it rolls it up like this. So it goes in there like that. I hope you guys can see that. And it goes out there so it fits like so. And then you tape this down, and then you'll tape it to the sheet protector I suggest with the holes punch side down. Just tape it on. I did not make it look pretty. I'm not caring about pretty, guys. Ladies out there, you're going to make it look lovely. You're going to do it better. If you do, I'd love to see the pictures below, or guys, whoever wants to do it. Throw some pictures below in the comments. That'd be awesome. See how you do with it. So when you get that done, in order to get the shoelace through, I took a hole punch. Punched a hole through the file folder and the sheet protector, so it'll cinch up right here. Okay, I'm going to do that on both sides, so it'll create that little curvature more so. You put it on your face, put it around here, and I did that several times when I first did it as well. I was hoping I wouldn't do it in this video, but I did. Anyway, so there you go. Tape it and tie it up like you do with shoes, and it goes on. I did wear this for almost 20-30 minutes in my house, walked around. It is not clear seeing. Medical professionals would probably not want to do this, because putting a needle in or something like that would not be easy to do with this, but it does enough to protect you if you had to go to Walmart or go out to go somewhere that you're concerned with being exposed by somebody else coughing or sneezing out there. And so this is something that you can do that's hopefully for free at your house, but if not, you had to go out on Amazon and buy it, or buying these materials at Walmart. Per mask, I priced it out, and not going out and buying tons in bulk or whatever, but it's like $1.25 to put one together. That's if you had to buy the washcloth. I had to buy everything. I had to buy the tape and everything. It's not going to be that expensive. You guys can do that. If you want to have a face mask to protect you and your family or your kids, that this would work. And also, added bonus is with something like this, a face mask like this, it's a lot harder for you to touch your eye, touch your nose, and that is the cross-contamination thing that, like they said in CDC and other medical professionals, I am not the doctor. Trust them, okay? Go with what they're saying on this, because what we do at Fearless Prepared is we try to take the hard facts and equip people to be able to serve their community as a whole in times of challenges and crises, and just to raise them up to help others. And so, through the end, I'm going to be putting out more videos about this. I generally, not in the past, but I will be doing this in order just to help the general community raise awareness on how to help things, and hope you guys are able to do these things, and may you be fearlessly prepared for the times ahead. And thank you so very much.
Click the subscribe button below.